How's it going, everyone? It's a bit of a different video because today, basically the flat's a bit of a mess because at the moment we are in the midst of swapping some things around. So now our bed has been squished somewhere else, and we have put our desks in the other room because we're upgrading that room. So we're going to have new setups. We're going to have I'm going to have better monitors, all this stuff. So hopefully it means I can actually edit a few videos, and it's actually going to be a full room for gaming, so it should be easier to record in. And yeah, so this video is going to be a bit more different because I've just done a big IKEA shop with a big shopper Curry PC World for some like monitors and stuff. And yeah, so I'm just going to bring you with me while I move the room around, tidy it up, tidy the flat, because the flat is a mess at the moment. So yeah, let's get into it.
Right. Okay, so this is where our bedroom was. Our bed was here. It's now been moved, but basically this is going to be my side. I'm going to have a 200cm desk up to here-ish. Then that one's going into the corner where I'm going to have my like work desk for my Gundams and hopefully 3D printing eventually. She's going to have, my girlfriend Alicia, whose desk is over here, she's going to have that as her work desk, and she's going to have another desk going across there. So it's going to be like all color coordinated and everything. And then I'm going to have some shelves that go across there, and it's going to have this TV probably on top of it, but I'm not sure about that yet. But it's going to be all like spread out, and it's going to look like hopefully really good. So we're going to have to wait and see how it goes. Delivery is in, it's in about 2 days. So I've got tonight to do it, and then after work tomorrow, after I go to the gym, I have to come home, tidy this, and then Monday, when I'm off, renovations. So I've got to tidy all of this, and all the mess out there in hopefully tonight and tomorrow, and ready for the next day. So wish me luck. So I have, oh, there you go. I have gone ahead and tidied all of this room. So this room's tidy again. Ignore those shoes, they're going to go on the shoe rack in there, but the shoe rack in there is going to be moved, so there's no point moving that. But yeah, it's all tidy again, except from that, but that's going to be moved once I've got room in the other one, and yeah, anyways. So this room, the living room is done. Now to go into the new gaming room. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. Okay, let's go. So I'm currently at work, to make sure no one's coming in. I didn't record much of the room makeover, like building the desk and stuff, because it was such a hassle. Like some of the way you have to build the desk, it was kind of annoying. Like, so it's just easier not to film it. I just wanted to get it done because it was my only day off, so I'd rather just get it done than, you know, like spend ages trying to get a camera angle and everything. But I've got more stuff to build later, so I'm gonna go home, build that, and then hopefully when I build that, it would mean all I've got left to do tomorrow is just the final touches. But it looks good.
Alright, so the room is done for the most part. Ignore those cables, they're getting replaced once my new Ethernet thing gets delivered. But for now, we've just got that bundle of cables there. But that's pretty much it for the setup. I think it turned out pretty well with my red and black setup, which is between Vader and Darth Vader, Vader and Spider-Man sometimes, depending on mood. So yeah, I've got red and black. She's got white and like wood black and white. But I think it's quite a nice little room. Definitely is more of a gaming room than what I used to have, which is just a desk. But overall, I'm happy with the results. There's a few things I want to tweak here and there, but most of it's pretty much done. But thanks for watching the video, and I hope this video wasn't too bad. It was completely different from a normal type of video, but just wanted to update everyone why it's taking a while for a video to come out because of all this stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.